Now we have waters. The wind of Elohim was fluttering over the face of the waters, or the faces of the waters. Waters in Hebrew is mayim. What is the origin of mayim? What does mayim really mean? Well, it's a plural. You got the im there. It's a plural word. The root, or the actual word of that, is ma. Ma. Anybody know what ma is in Hebrew? What does ma mean? Ma is what? So the root, or the meaning of water, is what? Water is an unknown substance. It's interesting. The ancient Hebrews and many of the desert culture people were afraid of water. So crossing the Red Sea was not just, we read that, crossing the Red Sea, oh, that's nice. They were deathly afraid of water. That's why the Hebrews were not much of a seafaring people. Not all. Some were. The Phoenicians were a branch of them. They were definitely seafaring people. But the desert people were afraid of the water. It's also interesting that not only is water an unknown place to the Hebrews because they didn't venture out into it, but water is unknown to science. Did you know that? Scientists are still baffled by water, believe it or not. It has properties they still have not figured out. An example, they did an experiment. This was just a year ago. They took 2 beakers of water and put them next to each other on a table. They inserted an electrode to give it an electrical shock. I don't know exactly what the process was, but they interjected this electrical current into one beaker. Well, the beaker with that electrode, the water in it, climbed up the side of that beaker, over the lips, and into the other side, the beaker of the other side. So it made a bridge. They could take those 2 beakers and pull them apart. They pulled the 2 beakers apart, and that bridge of water stayed there up to, I think it was an inch. And that, just water, no tubes, no nothing, just water. That is amazing. Confirms to me that scientists still are at a loss to some of the most basic things on this planet, even water itself.